Someone told me that you're still struggling with your eyeliner. I'm going to share something with you that my 5-year-old niece can get it. So if she can get it, you're going to kill it. Grab an eye pencil. Grab a very creamy, hydrating eye pencil. You can even use eyebrow pencil. I know. Eyebrow pencil, eyeshadows, whatever you got with you. So this is what you're going to do. You are going to draw a V here, like this. Don't worry if it looks crazy or thick or whatever. Just trust the process. So you're going to get something like this, okay? Remember, draw a V. Now, nails. My nail tech always says, treat them as jewels, not tools. But in this case, you can totally use it as tools. Just go like this. Do you see that? That is the most perfect baby wing of my life. And how easy is it to do that? Draw a V, use your nails, and just extend it out.